Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at short sellers getting blown up over here, guys. Short sellers are kaboom! Kaboom! Blew up! We have a really good candle on Bitcoin right over here. Alright, so in this video we'll talk about has the bottom that I have been saying in my videos, 60,000, and all these retests, the bottom confirmation. I provided you some levels yesterday in my video. Has the bottom today finally confirmed? All right, we're going bang, bang, bang to the upside now. Is that's what's going to happen? Let's talk about all of that in this video. Before going further though, as always, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. So let's get to the weekly interval first. All right. Overall, yes, we are in the downtrend. Nothing changes. We are in the downward channel here, guys. Okay, and we have been in the downtrend for quite some time. Nothing has changed in that regards. However, we have multiple confluences, 200 weeks moving average, bottom of the channel, lot of good price reaction. Does at this point, yes, even though we are in the weekly interval downtrend, but we are looking at the weekly interval level of a bounce potential on the daily interval, and this bounce has such a length to the upside that it's worth trading the upside. And as we even regain levels like $73,000 and we go up, I'll tell you the timeline in just a moment, there is more likelihood we're going to stabilize at $73,000, form a higher low pivot here and break out of the channel. Even though this is months away, like a month it will take to break out of this channel in my opinion, but these are all stepping stone in the building of a full-on bullish structure for the longevity. So right now, yes, we are forming a bottom and I'm seeing a lot of good indications, and I'll show you what we have to watch from going forward to see that confirmation happen. How do we take the trades and all that good stuff. The timeline I provided you of potential 84,000 is the week of 9th of March. Now, it's not that it's guaranteed. What I'm saying is that we have a possibility, but what we have to see is that we want to get out and above of $73,000 by the end of this week. If we can do that, yes, 84,000 in the week of March 9th is possible. Otherwise, we might not be able to get up there, but we will still have likelihood of bouncing up from here. So our bias still needs to remain. We should look for the bullish trades. Now, this brings me to the daily interval. All right, and as you know, it's okay, we a little bit dipped lower this zone, right, but we came snapping back up, and this is all now a liquidity grab over here. Okay, it's very common with a stock, with an instrument like Bitcoin, that is always liquidity hungry always. These are given. Okay, now the thing is that I want to show you, let's get to the 5 minutes interval, guys. Like, look at it today and even yesterday. Like, once we got this pump here, yes, throughout the whole night we retraced back. However, you can see at that significant level we bounced up, like we just continued whole day today up, straight up, right? Right now it did try to stabilize at the significant level above all these levels. As I'm saying, significant levels, they are marked by my tools all automatically for you guys. We are a little bit, after losing that, some momentum is escaping right now, and we are retesting and rejecting that significant level. That's why these significant levels are very important, guys. So and my tools marks these all automatically for you. We rejected there right now and a little bit coming lower. However, this is right now in the near term, let's get to the 4 hours interval, is right now a pullback. Short sellers are boom kaboom. Okay, all the short sellers shorting here, they're gone. They disappeared. Okay, they blew up their accounts, and this zone, regaining it and pushing straight higher up, is a win for the bulls right now. We are not fully out of the woods yet, but it's a good comeback for the bulls here. Now what we have to see going forward, right? So let's talk about that. Let me actually get this thing over here. So we were in this lower channel, or not channel, sorry, it's a overhead resistance which was overhead resistance, now it's a support. So as I have told you yesterday as well, that this was the line I gave you. If we can get above that, great. I wanted to see a session close above 68,700. We did go above that, but we a little bit gave up, and that's where it's more turning into a pullback right now. So it's not that, oh, we couldn't close and it's all bad. No. Yes, in the near term, momentum is escaping right now, 68,700 below. That's a pullback a little bit here. But this very now line, reference line, or a reference zone, I should say in this case, becomes your technical support. As long as we can hold here, stabilize, come up. Yes, we can a little bit dip lower, that's okay, but we just don't want to, like, we at the bottom of it, we don't want to lose 66,550. But more likelihood is that we might stabilize here and we can come back up. Now, where will the momentum proper one step back in? We'll have to regain above again $68,700 significant level. That then only this near term, that pullback is happening, then only it will mark itself completed, and then we will open up the doors to the significant level above, that is 70,918 area, and after that we have $73,000. The point is that, as I have been saying, these zones and then this zone, like, these are all bullish breakouts to the upside. This is the confirmation stepping stones that this is all a bottom. These are, look, bottoms are not formed overnight, guys, okay? It takes time, but these are all really good indications that a bottom is showing signs of formation. It may take some time, okay, but because the overall structure, as I showed you on the weekly interval, is still in the downtrend, but we have to start somewhere for downtrend to turn uptrend, and we have to see signs for that. And right now I'm seeing, as I just showed you, a lot of good signs here in the price action for Bitcoin. Now we just want to follow through. Now, as I said, if we can close by the end of this week, let's say in 3-4 days, above $73,000, guys, we can, let me actually change the visibility of that zone there so that it doesn't come in our way. Okay, so as I said, like, if we can do this $73,000 within by the end of this week, which will be pretty much closing this candle actually in this above or closer to the blue zone 73,000. Yes, guys, the week of 9th of March, very possible we can do that 84,000 dollars most likely. But we'll have to take it step by step. We'll have to take it day by day. We'll have to track the price action. And yeah, that's all I had for you in this video, guys. With that, please hit the like and subscribe if you found it helpful and valuable. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.